Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Welcome to DIY Woodworking TV. Check out the crosscut jig for circular saw, hand circular saw, sitting right here, that I found really cheap on local portal. This is it right here. I mean, I made one which is sitting right there. I made one which is sitting behind there, and it works, but this is more accurate, more fluid, buttery smooth movement. Also comes with a plate that can mount 7-inch or smaller circular saws. Really easy, plug and play. And then set it up 90 degrees, make a cut. So this is my big table, working table with table saw in it, and I need to cut the plywood. So let's use it and see how it goes and how it works. Okay, according to the base plate, the circular saw is exactly 90 degrees. So it should not make any, wider cuts. So this installation was easy. Now let me set everything 90 degrees and we will make a cut. Does not matter. You can slide the clamps all the way inside on that miter and clamp it. So you don't need any additional clamps. Let me show you. So that is why I love this jig, because these clamps can slide in and out easily and lock at both sides. At this side, 90. Cut, obviously. I need to see where my blade comes in. Slightly outside, because the blades also have, because the blades also have thickness. So, I just want to keep it slightly outside. Man, that is my life's most straight cut I could have ever done. So let's check both sides. 87.15 and 87.15. Man, that is the most straight cut I have ever done in my life. I am really happy, very, very happy. Okay, so now this is the piece that's gonna fit here. Let's do it and finish this table. So to say, this jig is amazing, and really it's like 35 bucks. I got it really cheap. The build quality is superb, and you have seen the cut quality also. It's really nice and straight, and setting it up is just a breeze.